Welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I will be walking you through how to add a treating practitioner from the settings screen. Treating practitioners are the healthcare professionals responsible for direct patient care, whether it's a consultation, diagnosis, procedure, or follow-up treatment. This includes doctors, nurses, hygienists, or any other registered healthcare provider working within your practice. Each patient interaction is linked to a specific treating practitioner, which is important for accurate records, referrals, and claim submissions. You can set up multiple treating practitioners in your practice to reflect your full team of care providers. This setup ensures that every practitioner can be correctly assigned to patient visits and billed appropriately through the system. For this video, we will start from the diary screen. Click the settings button in the top right corner and the settings screen will open. Next, click on the entity setup tab. Then expand the treating practitioner setup panel. Click add or edit treating practitioner. This opens the treating practitioner screen showing all existing practitioners. To add someone new, click the add new practitioner button. The add edit practitioner screen will open. Here, enter the required details like title, initials, surname, practice number, SAMDC number, cell number, and email. Double check this information and make sure it is correct. Remember that each patient interaction is linked to a specific practitioner. Therefore, any incorrect information may lead to rejected medical aid claims. Once you've filled in the details, click Save. The new practitioner will now appear under the Treating Practitioner Setup panel. If, at a later stage, you would like to make changes to a treating practitioner's details for any reason at all, click the Edit button and make your changes as necessary. Say, for instance, you received a medical aid rejection because the practice number was not recognized and as a result incorrect. You can simply change it here. Click Save and resubmit your claim. And with that, we've come to the end of this tutorial video on how you add and manage treating practitioners from the settings screen.